First, you want to take your thermostat wire off the thermostat. Go ahead and put a wire nut on these wires. And then we're going to do the same thing for the condenser unit. Remove the wires from the equipment and put a wire nut on top of those wires there. Then we're also going to go back to the air handler and we will disconnect the wires from the equipment, separating them. We're going to go through an example here of just checking continuity between the wires to make sure we have continuity. And as you can see, we do have continuity between all the wires. And what we're going to do now is we're going to remove one of the wires and check if we have a loss of power. Just like before, we're going to check one wire to the next for continuity until we find the wire that does not have continuity. Once we find that wire, we'll know which wire is lost power. In that case, it was the yellow wire. We'll go through the other wires the same way and see if we can find the next wire that we're losing power. And there you go, we have a red wire. In the next example, we will be removing the wires from the wire nut and separating the wires for the thermostat and the condenser. Again, we want to check for continuity. So this time we're looking for a short, possibly, and we do not want continuity. If we find continuity, then that means that wire is internally touching, in which we do not want. So we'll go through until we find continuity. There we go, we found continuity. That means that we probably want to change that wire out from yellow to possibly like a brown or a black, whatever you might have left over. As we go through the next bundle here, we'll check every wire one to the next and see if we can find the wire that has a short. Continue to go through all the wires and don't just stop at the first one you find, because you might have multiple issues. And there we go, we have continuity there.